Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I know it's been a while since I've posted, and I know I say that in every video, you guys. These summers for me are jam-packed. My birthday was last weekend. I had my friends visiting from Florida. My sister was here for a month, so there was a lot of madness going on in this house, so it's really hard for me to get time alone to sit down and film, especially in the summer. But I want to get back to a normal schedule. I'm trying to, so bear with me please. But today's video is going to be a fun one. I'm going to give you guys an updated perfume collection. I love watching these videos and I love filming these videos. Perfumes next to makeup are my favorite things ever. And if you guys could actually see my entire setup in my collection, it's madness over here. There is a lot happening. So that is what today's video is going to be. It's going to be an updated 2022 perfume collection. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into these perfumes. So I am literally always buying perfumes. I just cannot stop. It is a sickness that I have, and I just am always buying perfumes. So I'm gonna start, okay. So this really breaks my heart, but I want to share with you guys that I own these anyway. These are my newer collection from KKW Fragrance. Now I know her website is shut down and we do not know if it is coming back, but I really hope that it does because Kim Kardashian's fragrances dominate my perfume collection. I would say about 50% to 60% of my perfumes are from KKW. I love them so much and they last a really, really long time. She has some beautiful scents and her packaging is some of my favorites. So I want to start off with the KKW ones. So the first one is kind of newer. This came out this year, I'm pretty sure. This is Nude Sands from her. And you guys, I love this scent so much. It smells very powdery, but also very, very, very feminine. I don't wear these ever because, like I said, her website is shut down. I don't know if she's coming back. I don't know if she's coming back or coming back with the same fragrances. If she does not, that would be the ultimate heartbreak because, like I said, I love her fragrances. Then I have the whole entire Opal collection, which is another one that I love. I have Opal Mood, Opal Energy, and Opal Drip. Opal Drip is one of my favorites, you guys. It smells almost masculine but feminine at the same time. I'm really bad at describing scents, so please forgive me. I am just sharing with you guys my collection and which ones I love, which I actually love all of them. I don't buy a perfume unless I'm obsessed with it. So yeah, this one was Opal Drip, and then this one is Opal Mood. This is another goodie, bro. This one smells, what did I say, bro? I'm so sorry. That's how you know that I'm super into the scent. But this one again is Opal Mood, and I love this one. This one also smells kind of powdery but feminine. Oh, it's amazing. And then we have Opal Energy. This one smells like babies, again with the baby powder, but this one just smells like a baby to me, or like a doll. Very doll-like, if that makes any kind of sense. I love these, and these ones actually are my favorite ones that she's ever come out with, so it makes me so sad that she does not have them anymore or the website is not up. I will say that a million times. Kim Kardashian, if you're watching this video, please relaunch KK Fragrances. I don't care what you call it. Just relaunch it because we love you and we miss you, and these scents are amazing. Now we're going to get into more affordable scents, everyday scents. So if you guys have been following me for a while and you've seen my previous videos, then you know that Zara are some of my favorite perfumes. I buy Zara perfumes so that I can wear them to work, so I'm not wasting my expensive ones. One of my go-tos from Zara is Ultra Juicy. This one, you guys, I cannot pinpoint what this smells like, but it smells like something from my childhood, and I am obsessed with this. The thing I like about Zara perfumes is they are big, they are affordable, and they last a very, very long time. Every time I wear this perfume, I get so many compliments on it. You guys, go to Zara, smell their perfumes. They are so affordable, and they are so good. I feel like nobody gives them enough credit, and nobody talks about them. They are amazing. Then we have Gardenia Zara Bloom 02. This one, in my opinion, smells nothing like Gardenia. I have the Crystal Gardenia from KKW, which is legit one of my favorites from her. And these do not smell similar by any means. This is way more florally, and this one is so much more Gardenia than that one. So I would not call that Gardenia by any means. I don't know why that's the name, but it is a very strong, florally scent. So I love this one too. This one was $9 and this one was $17. So super affordable, obsessed. Guys, I want to talk about that brand Dossier. I love this brand so much. They make inspired scents. So like this one, for example, is inspired by Daisy by Marc Jacobs. We all know Daisy. Now, I love Daisy, but the issue I have with Marc Jacobs perfumes is they do not last. They are like $90, $100, and where's the, like, they don't last. Like, I spray them, and I'm like, okay, the scent is gone in like 20 minutes. That's such a waste of money. But with the Dossier ones, this one does last a little bit longer than the original Daisy, and it smells just like the original Daisy. So this was $29, so you do not need to spend $90 on the original Daisy when you can buy this one. I am obsessed with this one. And then this one is called Ambery Saffron? I don't know how to pronounce it. Again, from Dossier. This one was $49, but this is a dupe for Baccarat Rouge. I think I'm saying that right. But this one smells amazing, and this one lasts a really, really long time. It is pretty much a luxury perfume because of how long it lasts, and I love this smell. It's very different. Like, it's very like musky. It's very nighttime. I would not say this is like florally at all. Yeah, it has like, I guess orange blossom, but then it has cedarwood. That is really what you smell, and this is the cedarwood. I love this. Like I said, I love this brand a lot. This is a really, really good brand. If you want to smell like your luxury, but you don't want to pay that price, definitely check out Dossier. Love them. Let's talk Kayali. Kayali is another brand that makes some of my favorite perfumes, you guys. Okay, so let's discuss. The first one that I fell in love with was Deja Vu, which is this one, and you guys, there is something musky, like masculine floral about this. It is called White Flower. I love this one so much. Like I said, this was the first one that made me fall in love with Kayali's fragrances, and I cannot get enough of this. I recommend it to everybody. My sister actually just bought this one because she was like, I am obsessed with this scent, and I'm like, I know, it is frigging amazing, so definitely check this one out. It's not, I wouldn't say everybody loves this scent. Like, it's not like an everybody scent, but like everybody that smells it that is in my life loves it. But I don't know if you guys would necessarily like it. It is very, like I said, masculine, feminine. It's an overall bomb scent. I am obsessed with it. Then we have this one. This is Eden. This is kind of new from Kayali. You guys, it's called Juicy Apple, and this is very, very sweet. It kind of smells like hairspray, but then you definitely smell the apple in there. I am obsessed with this perfume, and this one lasts a really long time. All of her perfumes typically do. I love this one so much. When I smelled this in the store, I was like, hold up, this smells amazing. And then my boyfriend wound up getting it for me for my birthday, and you guys, I am obsessed with this one. I think this one might be my favorite. Oh, I don't know if I can say that, but this one is definitely up there. I love this one so much. And then we have this one, Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper. This one has a weird scent. Like, it smells weird, but when it mixes with your body chemistry, it smells amazing. It's one of those perfumes, like when I'm smelling it right now, I'm like, oh, okay, like this is nice. But when you wear it like on you and it mixes with your body chemistry and your lotions that you have on, it really smells amazing. And it doesn't really smell like how it smells in the cap, if that makes sense. I love this perfume. Again, another great one. And then this is a mini one. This is called Vanilla Cocoa. And this one is up there with competition for my #1 scent. This one smells so good. It's called Utopia Vanilla Cocoa. I cannot get enough of this one. This one, every time I smell it, I'm like, why did I not buy you in the full size? Because this smells amazing. And if I had to recommend one, I think I would recommend Deja Vu, Eden, and then this one, and then Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper. Yeah, that's the order that I would do. Like I said, I am a sucker for Kayali's perfumes, and the packaging is always so stunning. So if you guys were interested in picking some of them up, but you didn't know which ones to get, definitely start with Deja Vu and then go with Juicy Apple if you like a sweeter scent for sure, and then go with Utopia Vanilla Cocoa. Amazing. Let's talk really, really expensive perfumes. So I'm gonna start with this one. This one is from Viktor and Rolf, and this is their new one. I don't know what it's called. What is this called? I do not know. It does not say it on this bottle. I'm so sorry. We'll have it linked below or in the description. So this is what the bottle looks like. I love that it looks kind of like mysterious, and it almost reminds me of like genie in a bottle, even though I don't know why it reminds me of that. It just reminds me of that for some reason. I like how the top is like crystal. I don't know. I'm into this so much. This one is really, really expensive. My other sister purchased this for me for my birthday, and I am obsessed with it. I wore this my whole birthday weekend, you guys. This is a really good, it's almost like, let me spray it quick. Like I feel like spraying it is so painful. I don't want to like waste a spray, but yeah, once you spray it, it really smells just very fruity, but not too fruity. Very, very feminine. Oh, I love this one, and this one is definitely going to be one that I wear on special occasions because it's so expensive, and it's also just a beautiful, beautiful scent. I love Viktor and Rolf. I love all of their scents. They are usually so good. I love Flower Bomb too. I just haven't repurchased that one in a while, but this one, if you want to splurge, this one is for you. I am obsessed with it. You guys, like I said before, I am the worst when it comes to explaining scents and describing scents. It is just not in my like talent to describe a scent, so I hope I'm doing a pretty good job for you guys. Up next is from Armani. Now this one I feel like everybody loves. This is called My Way. For some reason, this one reminds me of like chocolate. Even though it smells like nothing like chocolate, it reminds me of chocolate. I don't know what it is about it, but all I know is I love this perfume and it lasts. You guys, if you want a perfume to last you, this one is going to hold you down. This one will last through the darkest of times, the darkest of days. Like it will last through BO, not showering. Trust me, this scent is not going anywhere. I love this scent so much. This next one is another one from Armani. This is called C. Now, I love this one. This is your very like, I'm mature, I'm a woman, like I'm in business, I work in the city, like this is the vibe that this one gives me. The only thing is I've only worn this once, but it didn't last too long on me, and that was kind of depressing because this was like a $90 or $100 bottle of perfume. I bought it at the airport at like the duty-free shop. It is really amazing, but it didn't last that long, and I've only worn it once, so I have to play around with it a little bit more. But if you want a perfume that is very like, I'm a woman, I mean business, like I'm in charge, like don't fuck with me, this is the perfume for you. I do love it, like I said, love it, but I need to wear it a little bit more to see if it does last a long time. We have, oh, my sister, my little sister was so cute for my birthday. She went to the mall and bought me like a bunch of little things from Sephora, and she was like, I didn't know if you like this, but I know that you like Chanel, so she bought me the Chanel Eau Tendre perfume. It's like the lavender one, and I have owned this one in the past, and I do really like it. I finished it a little over a year ago, and I didn't repurchase it because I had it for so long, and it wasn't a perfume that was like missing from my collection, but when she bought it for me, it meant so much to me, and I loved that I already like knew the scent, so I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. But I am happy that she bought it for me because Chanel Chance perfumes are some of my favorite ones, so I really love this one, and I just love that she bought it for me because it was just so funny and so cute. So the last perfume, like this one is one of my all-time favorite perfumes. I love it so much. This is the Lancome, what is it called? Aurora perfume. I bought this not too long ago, and this one. This is another one that lasts all freaking day and smells like baby powder mixed with just very florally, very womanly. It's a sweeter scent. It's definitely not on the masculine side. I would definitely describe this more as sweet, but this one is really expensive. I think it's like $120 for this bottle. It's outrageous, but it is so worth it, you guys. It is one of my favorites, and I know if I'm going out and I want my perfume to last a long time, or if I want to smell really good, I'm gonna use this one. I mean, I'm gonna use any of these because I love all of them so much. All of my perfumes mean so much to me, and I wear them with such pride because I love perfume so much. But this is one that is just so good, and it's a perfume that gets better the longer you wear it. So at first it smells amazing, and then throughout the night I'll get whiffs of it, and I'm like, oh my god, it smells so good. So I love this one. It is one of my favorites. It's just, it has a special place in my heart. I love it. Guys, so that completes this 2022 updated perfume collection. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Please let me know down below what your go-to perfumes are. Do you have as much as me? I have more over here, but I've already talked about these in my previous videos, which I will have linked all down below for you guys. But yes, let me know down below what your go-to perfumes are, and let me know if you want KKW Fragrance to come back, because we need to start like a petition for her to bring it back, because some of her perfumes are just like the best ones to ever exist. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys in today's video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!